Hi guys, it's Becky, and I am going to be opening up some mystery, I guess bead stash packs that I bought from Softflex recently. And since they're a mystery, if you don't like surprises being spoiled and you purchased these and you're waiting for that to get here and you don't want to see that, then get out of here. Because, I don't want to spoil this for anyone who doesn't want it spoiled. But I am going to be opening these up. I'm going to be taking a look at them, and I'm going to sort them into one of my dividers and organizers, and we're going to see what's inside of these. They did some mystery bead stash packs in the winter, and I got a couple of those and loved them. I did not do an unboxing on my channel with those because my mom was here when I got them. So she got a little private unboxing. She got to play with the beads and see what was in there. And I'm guessing that these are going to be similar. They had two colors in the fall. It was purple and a blue/green. That were the two different colors that you could possibly have gotten. With this one, we've got pink, purple, and green, I think. That there were three possible colors. And I know anecdotally that if you order from them and you say, hey, I don't like purple, that they'll give you like one of the other colors or something. I'll put a link to where they have them listed on their site. They might still be available, they might not. I don't know. I haven't checked their site today. But I do know that I got this when they were on buy one, get one free. Now they're half price and being sold individually, not like two at a time. So you could get just one, or you could get two, or you could get three. You know, it all depends on what you feel like. I ended up getting four because I bought one and it was BOGO, so then I got a second one. Anyway, all that is to say that I have spent a long time talking to give y'all a chance to get out of here if you don't like surprises. If you're still here at this point, I'm going to assume that you want to see what's in these packages. So let's get them open. Let's see what's in here. These are not their mystery design kits. These are just some beads and a few findings and tools that they put together, just with some color coordination. There isn't a mystery design challenge that goes along with this, but because I made a personal challenge to myself that I was going to do a full set of jewelry with every bead bundle and every beading kit that I got this month. I'm going to be doing stuff with these. So yeah, that's where we're at with this. And that's one of the reasons why I'm unboxing, is so that to hold myself accountable, to not be like, well, I just won't make anything with them because they don't know about it. You guys are going to know about it. So I'm going to keep myself accountable. Okay, so it looks like we've got greens here. We've got purples here. This one it looks like browns, maybe some blues, maybe a little bit of purple. I don't know. That's pretty exciting. And then this one is definitely pinks. And with each of these, like I said, it looks like they have similar components, but they're all a little bit different. There's going to be a spool of Softflex wire, and we've got some of these bead stoppers, which are amazing because I use them all the time. Like, I've got a bunch of them, and just having more is just going to make my life a little bit easier. So I'm going to pull the wire and bead stoppers out of each of these. I'm going to stick these in one of my little things that I like to put bead stoppers in. Oh boy, yay, tools. I love the blue lapis color, and it looks like I got two of them. That is one of my favorite colors of Softflex beading wire, so I'm super happy that I got those. And we've got some of those. So I'm definitely going to be making things with these, and I'm pretty sure I can do a full set of jewelry out of what's in here. It looks like we got some buttons, we got some findings, we've got we've got some really cool things in each of these. So let's take a look at these. I think these are both purples. I'm gonna set these other colors aside. So these are both purples. And like I said, they're both purples, but they're very different. So like you might get a purple and your purple might be completely different from mine. All right. So this one is like more on the browns side, but it looks like we've got some Millefiori beads, some check glass, some ceramic beads. We've got some findings and a button. So it looks like we're going to be having some similar components in each of these. This is the other one. Got some check glass. We've got some Millefiori beads. And they're totally different Millefiori beads. But they're both really cool. Like, these are cool. I love these beads. This is going to be a lot of fun to make things with. And I've got some findings, gold in this one, silver in this one, and we've got these square dales. These are really cool, and another button. And more of these ceramic beads. So we've got ceramics, we've got the Millefioris, and we've got these. Look how swirly these are. This one's like coffee, and this one is like just purple, gold, like lavender. I do like these findings. These buttons will make great closures on things. And we've got some of these. I could do a full set with these. I could absolutely do a full set with each of them, actually. So let me get these set over side. And let's take a look at the green. So the green one came with fluorite color. It's this really easy to look at, very light, kind of a minty green. It's like a desaturated mint, though. It's kind of like a cross between mint green and sage green. And again, more of these tools. So you get the beading wire, you get the tools, and then you get some beads. So definitely, in my opinion, worth it. Oh, take a look at these beads. Those are really, really fun and springtimey. And then we've got these ceramic beads. This is the green one. We've got eyes instead of stars for our beading components. And my square dolls are gold with like topaz crystals. Then we've got two different check glass strands. Both of these go really well together. I think I like that. This I think is a 7 or 8 millimeter, and this one's 5 millimeter. I feel like possibly, but then look at this mother of pearl pendant. It's not a button, it's a pendant, and it is beautiful. It is absolutely gorgeous. So like, yeah, if I'm gonna do my challenge and do a full set of jewelry with this is gonna be my necklace. I'm gonna use this and maybe some of these for a bracelet. We'll have some of these going. These could be for earrings. Save one of these for a ring. And look, it's all set. It's all ready to go. So we'll do that. We'll have that be one of my full sets that I do. All right, so then we've got pink. So these are both purples. This one was greens and this one was pinks. And it looks like I got white quartz as my wire for this one. More of these. Look at these ceramic beads. Like, this is This is so cool. I love these little fishies. Oh my gosh. Yeah, this, okay, earrings first of all with those. And then you've got some beading findings. And then these are some 2-hole beads, 2-hole check beads. And then these are some pinch beads with a really, really light pink vibe. These square dolls have a nice vibrant pink. And then look at this check glass button. That is a gorgeous button. And these, like coin-shaped millefiores, are absolutely beautiful. These are so pretty. And like the glass that it's in is pink. It's got this pink tone to it. So these are really, really pretty. Okay, so that is the mystery bead stash. Some of the mystery bead stashes, like I think probably each of them is going to be very different and individual, which is probably why they're not doing an official unboxing or reveal for them, because they're going to be so different from each other. But that might give you an idea of what is in there. And also now that you guys know what I got, I can make something with them because I received them during this month, and this month is when I'm going to be doing these. So let's get them put away in here. I'm going to just put all of these findings in the same section because they don't take up that much space. I'm going to put this button and these buttons also in the same section. And then we'll get these sorted into their other sections. I'm just going to sort while you guys are here. Gonna leave the square dolls on the things, and I'm just gonna kind of plop them sort of together-ish in some of these. I don't really need to keep things that separated, I don't think. I'm gonna kind of know which came with what. I'm not gonna be like, oh wait, was this a purple or was it a green? When like the greens are very definitely greens. Right. These guys. And these purple ones. I think it's like, for me, it's the millefiori beads for me. I love them so much. They're so beautiful. So beautiful. I feel like maybe I should put these two together because I still have so many other beads that need to get sorted. There it is. Getting a bead scoop to help me with this. It's a lot easier than using your fingers. There we go. And the stars, the stars. Oh, my stars and goddess. So yes, I am going to be including these in my challenge. Part of me is like, oh man, why did you do this? I also got some things from Silver Silk. They have the Neely put together some Tucson Silver Silk kits, so I'm gonna be making some full sets with those too. Whew. It's gonna be a busy week next week for me, but I've got Monday off, so I'm hoping that I can pre-film some things so that I could just spend that entire day making things with y'all, so that it'll be a little bit easier for me for the rest of the week. We'll see how that works out though. I mean, at least with like the Silver Silk stuff, that stuff does a lot of the work for you. You just need to add a few beads when you make your things. But yeah, all right. And I don't know if you guys want to see what I got in the winter ones that I got. The ones that was like blue and green was one of them. Because the Millie Fury beads on that one were absolutely to die for. I took out some of the components that were in there, so I don't have all of them. This one I actually haven't taken out at all. This was the blue and green one that I got in the winter time, and I didn't do anything with it. I just showed it to my mom and she played around with it. So it's again more of that fluorite color, which is a great color, of Softflex. More of these. Now I didn't receive this during this month, so I'm going to exclude it from my thing and maybe make with it next month. But look at these beads. Are they not just absolutely gorgeous? Super, super cute, super gorgeous. Check glass drops, other check glass beads, these twisty guys, and then some green square dells. This one did not come with findings, but it did come with a check glass button. So that was a really, really great little bead stash bundle that I got. That was in the winter, the one that I did not unbox with you guys, but I did with my mom. But these ones I did with you guys. This isn't gonna actually fit in any of these. It's too big, so I'll just set it on top when I put it on my shelf of things to make with this month. All right, and let's go ahead and get, which one was that? Was it this one or this one? I think it was this one, because these were all purples and that was pinks. Okay, yeah, that's where that one went. Okay, perfect. Yeah, so I've got bead stoppers for days now. I better not ever lose them. If you ever hear me saying like, where's my bead stoppers? They're here. They're here somewhere. Like, I'm not going to be misplacing them ever. I have enough. Maybe I have enough, but that was definitely worth a purchase for me, in my opinion. I'll put a link to where they've got those on their site. So you can get some too if you want. But there we go. That's the surprise. That was the mystery revealed. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and I will talk to you later. Bye.